All right, what's going on, folks? It's your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Today, video 16 Ram 2500. This is a 6.7 Cummins, finished off in an SLT trim, four-wheel drive. This truck has been tuned and deleted. I'm gonna do a quick walk around on the body. It's a little dirty right now from the rain, but the body is in outstanding shape. It has method wheels, Terra Legend, rubber on the ground, blacked out taillights. I'm gonna try to notate any damage. There's a couple small little ding there, a couple rock chips there. As far as like major damage, none on the driver's side. I'm gonna walk down these body lines with you so you can see how smooth the panels are. Again, mind the dirt. We drove this truck in the rain the other day and she got dirty. Anyway, tons and tons of tread left on the tires. I'd say every bit of the 75 to 85% range. Set of method wheels. Aftermarket fender flares, painted to match mirrors. The front bumper looks really good. The chrome grill's in great shape. Headlights are brand new. This truck's been all the way through service. Everything service-wise has checked out the way it's supposed to be. Amp electric step boards. You have an onboard compressor you can control right here to pump them up. You have control of each individual bag, left and right. So if you're into towing, this thing does have a set of good airbags. There's your tuner right there. You can easily adjust on the fly. This truck sounds extremely good. We'll get this thing fired up so you guys can hear it. For all those who waited to watch this part of the video, all you chumps leaving early, come on, man. Hey, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I don't want you guys to have bad luck for the next 40 years because you don't like and subscribe a video. Listen to that turbo, baby. Lord have mercy. We'll rev it up a couple times. Yes, it's warmed up. I don't rev on shit unless it's warm. Damn, she sound good. Anyway, interior's in really good shape for the year. We're gonna get this thing through final detail. We got a brand new set of floor mats coming for it as well. Back seats, no visible damage as far as like rips, tears, anything like that. Just got to be cleaned back up a little bit more. Same thing, driver's seat, no rips, tears. AC is ice cold. The heat is hot. And it's hot in South Carolina right now, let me tell you. It's about 90 degrees out here. I feel like I'm sitting on top of a roof naked, coated in Crisco. That's how hot it feels. Chapping my ass. Look, man, it's even got a bullet antenna. All right, anyway, Ram 2500, 6.7 Cummins. Body's in great shape, interior's in great shape. No rust issues whatsoever. If you guys have any questions about this truck or many other lifted trucks that we offer for sale right here, Deluxe Motorsports, Ladson, South Carolina, make sure you guys reach out to us direct. Call us 843-697-7501. If you're looking to get this truck shipped, we do ship nationwide. Make sure you guys drop a comment if you guys have any questions about this truck. Full description or full information in the description below. Website link, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all of those good things have all the links right there. If you guys haven't already, like and subscribe. Till next time, next video. It's your boy Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports.